faith in science and progress. You could say I lost my belief in religion. You could say I lost my sense of direction. You could say all of this and worse, but if I ever lose my faith in you, there'll be nothing left for me to do. Some would say I was a lost man in a lost world. You can say I lost my faith in the people on TV. You can say I lost my belief in our politicians. They all seem like game show hosts to me, but if I ever lose my faith in you, if I ever lose my faith, there'll be nothing left for me to do. If I ever lose my faith in you. I could be lost inside their lies without a trace. But every time I close my eyes, I see your face. I never saw no miracle of science that didn't go from a blessing to a curse. I never saw no miracle